500,000 miles on the same car that's like driving coast to coast across America 200 times without an engine swap. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the kicker. Over 75% of breakdowns happen because of bad driving and maintenance habits. The good news? It's not magic and it's not luck. It's 12 simple habits that turn an ordinary car into a 500,000 mile machine. And habit number 7? Even hardcore car guys forget it, but it can save you thousands. Let's go. Habit 1. Oil change. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. It's not flashy. It's not something you can brag about at a car meet. But this single ritual has turned ordinary family sedans and work trucks into million-mile legends. Think about it. Oil is the blood of your engine. Every mile you drive, it carries away heat, dirt, and tiny fragments of metal. Let it go too long, and that lifeblood turns into sludge, choking the very machine you depend on every morning. There's a reason the longest-running cars in history all share this habit. Irvin Gordon's Volvo P1800 crossed 3 million miles. And right here in the US, an F-150 pushed past 700,000 miles with nothing more exotic than routine oil changes. No secret formula, no miracle additives, just fresh oil, on schedule, like clockwork. Skip an oil change once, maybe nothing happens. Skip it twice? Congrats, you're the proud owner of a driveway ornament. The truth is simple, engines don't die of old age. They die of neglect, and nothing kills them faster than dirty oil. So be honest, when was your last oil change? Under 5,000 miles ago, or way overdue? Now let's move to habit 2, a habit so cheap and so easy, it might be the best insurance policy you'll ever buy. Habit 2, change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. Engines get all the attention, but your transmission quietly takes just as much abuse. Every shift, every climb, every hard acceleration, it's transmission fluid that keeps the gears cool and smooth. Ignore it, and that fluid breaks down, turning from a slick protector into a sludge that cooks your transmission from the inside out. And when a transmission fails, it's game over. It's one of the most expensive repairs a car can face. Here's the truth. Swap your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles and you'll keep shifts buttery smooth for decades. Ignore it, and you're gambling with a repair bill bigger than the car's value. Habit 3. Flush your coolant every 3 to 5 years. Engines don't always die with a bang, sometimes they get eaten alive from the inside. Old coolant loses its ability to protect, and when it does, rust and corrosion start chewing through your engine block like acid. By the time the warning light comes on, the damage is already underway. Ask the owners of Chevy Suburbans still pushing 400,000 miles or Ford trucks farming past 500,000, they'll all say the same thing. Fresh coolant, on schedule, no exceptions. Miss it once, and you're paying the price. Skip a $100 coolant flush today, and you could be staring down a $3,000 bill for a warped cylinder head tomorrow. Cheap insurance, but ignore it, and your engine becomes the experiment. Habit 4. Replace the timing belt before failure. Engines don't just die from neglect, you can see. Sometimes they're killed in an instant when the timing belt snaps. This single part keeps your pistons and valves moving in perfect rhythm. But when it fails, that rhythm collapses into chaos, bent valves, destroyed pistons, and sometimes a totaled engine. Here's the scary part. Timing belts wear silently. No squeaks, no warning lights. One moment it's fine, the next your engine is toast. Think of it like the rope holding up a mountain climber. If it snaps, there's no second chance. Most timing belts should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Check your owner's manual. Some cars have timing chains that last longer, but even that need inspection. Replace on schedule, and you'll never have to worry. Ignore it, and one snap could send your whole engine to the scrapyard. Habit 5. Change spark plugs every 60 to 70,000 miles. Engines don't just run on fuel, they run on fire. And the part that makes that fire? Spark plugs. These tiny cylinders ignite the air-fuel mix thousands of times per minute. Miss a beat and your car stumbles. Ignore them and your engine doesn't just lose power, it suffers. Truth bomb. Bad spark plugs guzzle gas like a freshman on free pizza night. Ask anyone who's kept a Ford F-150 or Chevy Silverado alive past 400,000 miles. They'll say the same thing. Change plugs every 60 to 70,000, no excuses. It keeps the engine smooth, efficient, and strong enough to laugh at mile after mile. The cost? $50 in an afternoon with a socket wrench. The price of skipping it? Lost fuel efficiency, damaged parts, and an engine that feels worn out long before its time. Trucks that survive 500,000 miles all share this habit. They don't treat spark plugs as set it and forget it. Parts, they treat them as the heartbeat of the engine. So be real. Are your spark plugs older than your sneakers? Comment below. Next comes habit 6, and this one could save you from the single most expensive failure under your hood. Habit 6. Replace the fuel filter every 30 to 60,000 miles. Engines live on fuel the way we live on oxygen, and just like we can't survive on polluted air, your engine can't survive on dirty, contaminated fuel. That's where the fuel filter comes in, a small part that makes a massive difference. A clean filter means steady power, smooth acceleration, and a happy fuel pump. Let it clog and you'll feel it. Hesitation when you press the gas, weak performance, and eventually a burned out fuel pump begging for retirement. Ignore it, and a $40 filter swap turns into a $1,200 pump replacement. The cars that last 500,000? Their owners don't gamble with fuel delivery, they protect it. Pro tip, after swapping your filter, don't test it by flooring it out of the parts store parking lot unless you like providing free entertainment to everyone in the lot. Habit 7. Flush your brake fluid after every 2 to 3 years. This is the one I teased back in the intro. Almost nobody does it, but it decides if your car still brakes like new at 200,000 miles, or if the pedal hits the floor when you need it most. Brake fluid is thirsty. From day one, it absorbs moisture, which lowers its boiling point. That's the difference between a firm pedal and oh crap, why am I not stopping? Change it, and your calipers, lines, and ABS stay healthy. Skip it, and you're looking at rust, seized pistons, and a $1,500 ABS bill instead of a $50 flush. Pro tip, grab a $20 tester, dip it in, and you'll know instantly if it's time. No guessing. So, when was the last time you flushed your brake fluid? Or are you still rocking the same swamp water since MySpace was a thing? Habit 8. Change differential and transfer case fluid every 30 to 50,000 miles. Here's the habit that separates cars that make it to 500,000 miles from the ones that die in silence. Differentials and transfer cases don't scream when they're failing. They whisper. Skip fresh fluid and it turns into a chocolate milkshake, except this one costs $3,000. That faint highway whine, not road noise. It's your gears grinding into dust. And when they fail, they don't limp. They lock, snap, and leave you stranded. Ask any Silverado owner who tows all week fresh diff fluid is why their truck still shifts smooth. Dirty oil on the trail doesn't mean oops. It means kaboom. And here's the kicker. You don't need anything fancy. A jug of 75 W90 synthetic, the same stuff Jeep and Ford recommend, keeps those gears happy for another 100,000 miles. Cheap bottle, priceless insurance. The cost? $100. The consequence? $3,000. Pay for the fluid now, or pay for the funeral later. Next comes habit 9, the one that protects the very lifeblood of your engine from the inside out. Habit 9. Clean the mass airflow sensor every 12 to 15,000 miles. Engines live and die by how accurately they measure air. That job belongs to the mass airflow sensor, a tiny piece sitting between your air filter and throttle body. When it's clean, your engine delivers perfect air-fuel balance. Smooth idle, sharp throttle response, strong mileage. But over time, dirt and oil vapors cling to its wires. The readings drift. Suddenly, you're burning more fuel, losing power, and maybe even seeing that dreaded check engine light. Neglect it long enough and the damage spreads. Fouled spark plugs, overheating catalytic converters, and poor fuel economy. All from a sensor smaller than your pinky. And here's the funny part. This tiny sensor controls your fuel like a grumpy accountant. The second it gets dirty, it's like, nope, budget's blown, we're eating ramen and misfiring spark plugs for the month. That's why high mileage owners swear by this habit. Every 12 to 15,000 miles, they pull the sensor, hit it with a quick blast of MAF cleaner, and put it back. Nothing fancy, just a $7 can designed for the job, and you're golden. Touch it with your fingers, or spray it with carb cleaner though, and you've basically fired the accountant with a hammer. 5 minutes of work, a few dollars in supplies, and the engine keeps running like new. Next comes habit 10, and this one protects your car from a hidden killer that builds up every single mile you drive. Habit 10. Replace the PCV valve every 30 to 50,000 miles. Engines rarely die from dramatic explosions. More often, it's a $10 part that quietly takes them down. The PCV valve is one of those silent assassins. Tucked on the valve cover, its job is simple. Vent crankcase gases back into the intake so the engine stays clean and efficient. When it works, oil lasts longer, sludge stays away, and your engine breathes easy. But when it fails, pressure builds, seals start leaking, and thick sludge spreads through the internals. Suddenly, that tiny valve has caused a very big problem. It's like the one friend who never talks in the group chat, until they blow up the whole plan. Smart owners don't wait for trouble. They swap the PCV valve every 30 to 50,000 miles. It's a quick job that costs pocket change compared to the thousands you'll spend fixing oil leaks or sludge damage. Talk to anyone with a 500,000-mile car, and you'll hear it again. Reliability isn't luck, it's replacing the small stuff on time, starting with the humble PCV valve. Next is habit 11, the second to last piece of the puzzle before we reveal the final habit that truly separates cars that last forever from the ones that don't. Habit 11. Check tire alignment every 10,000 miles. Here's the thing about alignment, it's not just about keeping your steering wheel straight. When alignment drifts, even slightly, your tires wear unevenly, your suspension takes extra stress, and your fuel economy quietly suffers. A car that's out of alignment chews through tires thousands of miles before their time, and that money comes right out of your pocket. Checking alignment every 10,000 miles keeps your ride smooth, your tires lasting longer, and your suspension healthy. It's a small step that pays off big in the long run. And now we reach habit 12, the final, ultimate habit that separates 500,000-mile legends from cars that give up long before their time. Habit 12. Avoid cold revving. Let your engine idle 30 seconds before driving. This is the final habit, the one that separates cars that limp to 150,000 miles from the legends that hit 500,000. Here's the deal. Oil needs about 30 seconds to circulate after a cold start. Rev the engine before that, and you're grinding metal on metal, shaving years off your engine's life. Think of it like this. Revving a cold engine is like waking up and doing 50 push-ups before coffee. Sure, you can, but you won't last long. High-mileage veterans know the trick. Just let your car idle for 30 seconds. That's all it takes to coat every moving part before you drive. Those 30 seconds? They're the cheapest insurance policy your engine will ever get, and the single most ignored habit that separates legends from junkyard scrap. Before we wrap up, here's the truth. There's actually a 13th habit. That hidden habit is the difference between 500,000 survivors and million-mile legends. I'll reveal it in the next video, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Engines wear out, parts break, and trends fade. But follow these 12 habits, and your car won't just survive, it'll outlast the hype, the market, and maybe even you. The difference between a junkyard statistic and a 500,000-mile legend isn't luck, it's discipline. So let me ask you, which of these 12 habits have you been guilty of skipping? And what's the highest mileage you've ever racked up on a car? Drop your story in the comments. And before you go, hit subscribe for more secrets that turn ordinary cars into forever machines.